coffee. We are almost there, and today we're drinking the Reign Orange Dreamsicle, because that is at this point the only thing that keeps me awake is the 300 milligrams. It's kind of wild. It's super duper humid. I don't know if you can even see it on the camera, but it's like humid as ever, man. It's wild. It's super duper gloomy, and it's nice and cool. It's 64 according to my car. Alexa said it was 62 and a high of 70, so it's finally fall in Texas in November. But I'm chilling, enjoying it. It's gonna be awesome, but it's right up here. We're gonna pull in, get parked, and we're gonna see what's up today. I'm gonna get out and test first if I need my sweater. I'm gonna try to not wear it because I'm just gonna enjoy the cool air, but this is the first time seeing this here. If it's actually a GSR, that's badass. Hello.
Come here.
How are you, bro?
I'm trying. Go do a photo shoot later?
I'm down. Yeah, I'm down. I don't have my camera. I'd have to go get it.
R32, Adrian. Blue R32 slammed on his bag, white wheels.
The Golf?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
He should be coming out.
Oh.
And he wants to take a photo shoot.
He's right. Yeah.
Okay. For a truck, that shit sounded okay.
That's a sick color. Like leather. Daddy, sorry. Daddy, sorry.
Dark horse? What are you doing with that piece of crap?
Still looks nice though.
See, everyone talks shit on
That looks better than the last generation.
I wouldn't go that far. Car?
Merry Chrysler and happy Honda days. Damn. Oh yeah, there's also GTR, but damn. Hey, yo.
And I got the jams and everything painted.
Really? I'll say, I know you just left there. I'm gonna go buy some shit really quick, then I'll come back and find you. It looks really good.
Hell yeah, thank you. Yeah, we can meet.
Hey, you gotta really squeeze in there.
She gon' send him a text. I don't need no doubt, but you know I'm a dog. Send me the bag, ever made you a million. I tell him, riddle me that. Ain't offending me yet. My bitch drink Bacardi. I made this be feeling like smoke. Caught the middle of my neck, but you on the crib. 400,000 on the whip. Die on the I'm about to go buy me a coupe.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to get you a donut right here at the store entrance. We are giving away free donuts. You want a little snack? Come get you some donuts. We're almost done. All right, we want to give them all away.
We have a new box in the lot. Wherever we go, ain't no problem. I just told her, no, she was child. She wanted to be with me, but I don't got the time. Just I know the private plane with me, I don't let it fly. Go cut my shovel, cause I don't like to try. It's a bird back and we gon' build them up with vibe.
I know for sure I need this, and it's actually the last one, so that's good. But I feel like there was something else I needed. Hello? Yeah, this, we got lucky, bro. This is the last one. The wash solution. But I feel like there was something else I needed. That's sick. Yeah, this is sick. Like clear coat over it, so it protects it. Bro, these are crazy, bro. Like, dude, I'm 6'2", almost 6'1 and a half. And these are huge even compared to me. $6'1" compared to this, and I would still have to step up and do it. The new Battle Arrow wing that he just got. One of the end fins on it blew off, so he took the other one off to match. Tragic. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. That's, no matter how many exotics are in this parking lot, that's still the rarest car right there.
I don't know, there's some good guys out there. Yeah, I get you. The system you get offered and everything. I'm like, you know what? I want to be a contractor. What do you think? Yeah, me too. Mine's black, so
Here's the LS swapped Miata. Freaking wild, man. Got a 5.7 stuffed into a Miata. This man has every bolt-on you could possibly get. And like the cleanest engine bay I've ever seen. I'd eat off of that. Like, bro. Every single square inch of this thing is absolutely insanely clean. I'm blown away. It didn't even come this clean from the factory. I like it. I like it. I dig this. I really dig this. Dude, this is sick. It's just so tastefully done.
Bro, that thing was like smashed in there too. There was like no room for any extra.
Like the wheels, the tires, the whole fitment looks mint. The fact that it's an R line, mint. The yellow tint, mint. Oh, it even got a Maxxin Design lip on there, also mint. Bruh, every inch of this is mint. The only other thing I would do is I would add a roof box. I think it would look nutty with a roof box on there, but that's just me. We got another one. All the bolt-ons. I like the neon green with the blue though. Looks really good. And the rally lights too. Now you can see the deer, or the deer sees you nice and bright. Last thing they see is just a blinding light. Oh, this is a green. I thought this was black, but it's green. It's cool. It's super dark green. That Jeep was nicely done too. My glasses are all wet. Sorry. It's doing the misting thing like crazy. Oh. Hello. Clean. Clean. Damn, that is low. Jeez. That's on the ground. Damn. That's dedication right there. With the drilled and slotted rotors. Holy hell, man. That exhaust, bro. Sheesh. That exhaust is wild. Crazy. I think this is like the, the Sport Package GT. Looks good though. Really like the stripes. Every time I've cleaned my car in the last 2 weeks, it's rained. I washed it and polished it, and then a week ago it rained for 16 hours straight. And then I wiped it down after that, polished it again, and now it's misting today. And it turned from humidity to mist to like, it's like borderline rain at this point. Like borderline raining. So annoying. Can't keep this damn thing clean, bro. This is crazy.
Cuando vengas por acá me avisas para echarle.
I think that might be moving in. So this meet might be over here pretty soon, but I mean, we still technically have 30 minutes, but I mean, again, if it starts raining any harder, people are gonna start packing it up. They're already rolling out. Yeah, there's already a bunch of people rolling out. And my glasses. I don't know why my transitions are working. There is zero sun out. I don't know if maybe the water is making them come on, but it makes it look even darker. GTI over here. I think this is what, the Mark II, I think. I don't know if it's the Mark II or 3, but they kind of look the same. I think this might be the 3, but dude, come on. There's sports cars parked on both sides of you, and the road is slick from misting, and you're gonna just give it the beans right here in the middle of the cars? Nah, screw you, dude. There's hundreds of thousands of dollars of sports cars all around you, and you're doing that. Idiot. We're gonna go take some pictures. We're gonna go meet the guy with the blue R32. He's over in the Chick-fil-A parking lot. We're gonna go meet him, and then we're all gonna go and take some pics after that. So let's go do that. This is why you give everybody the address of the location you're meeting at, because my entire group got separated. It's in like thirds now. The first group made the light, and then I and 3 people behind me got stuck at it, and then at the next red light I was able to get through it fine, but then it switched off for everybody else. So now it's just me by myself, as far as I know. Oh, actually there's the Mustang. Actually, there's everybody. All right, we're in 2 groups again. Let's go. They're right behind me. All right, we're here at Los Arcos Mexican restaurant. I've never had it. Pretty hyped. I have high expectations because I don't mess with this Tex-Mex stuff. All right, so I hope that there's no Tex-Mex in here, but give us a little bit. We're gonna eat, and then after this, we're gonna go take some pics.
Several days later.
All right, I lied. We didn't go take pictures. Oh man, I'm so tired, and that's why I'm sleepy. Once we ate, man, my energy just went poof. So yeah, it is nap time. But with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out all of my other content. I have tons of Cars and Coffee videos. I have tons and tons of videos working on this, on my Miata, on an E36, a Veloster, all kinds of cool stuff. Let me know down in the comments what the favorite build you saw today was, and I will see you in the next video. Drink water, be safe, and I'll see you later.